Hi friends. Do you ever say things like, I have a red beautiful car, or, he sings beautifully always, and people look at you like this? Don't worry. Today we're fixing word order, especially with adjectives and adverbs. Let's make your English sound smooth and natural. Let's start with adjectives, those words that describe nouns. In English there's a special order. Think of it like a recipe. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, noun. Don't worry, we don't use them all at once. Example. A beautiful small old round red Spanish wooden table. This is okay. A red beautiful Spanish small table wooden. This is not okay. That sounds like a table in a blender. But usually, we just use 2 or 3 adjectives. A beautiful red dress. An old French car. Put the opinion first, then the fact. A lovely cold drink. A cold lovely drink, not wrong, but sounds odd. Adverbs are tricky little ninjas. They describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. But where should they go? Let's look at frequency adverbs like always, usually, often, sometimes, never. They go before the main verb, but after to be. She always eats breakfast. He is usually late. She eats always breakfast. This is not good. What about other adverbs? Adverbs of manner go at the end. He sings beautifully. He beautifully sings, possible but weird. Adverbs of time or place usually go at the end. They arrived yesterday. She lives in London. Let's fix some sentences together. You ready? I eat quickly always. Fix, I always eat quickly. A blue small car. Fix, a small blue car. He speaks perfectly English. Fix, he speaks English perfectly. Great job. You're becoming a word order wizard. Remember, word order in English is a little like building a sandwich. Put the layers in the right order and it tastes great. Get the order wrong? Well, nobody wants lettuce on the outside. If this lesson helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite sentence using adjectives or adverbs. Let's keep learning English the fun way. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.